Looking for a home with charm and modern updates? Imagine relaxing on the charming front porch, the perfect spot to unwind. The entryway has original woodwork with an open staircase and a spacious living room. The dining room featuring gorgeous built-in cabinetry that adds both character and functionality. And the stunning hutch provides the perfect place to display fine china. A main-level bedroom with an attached 3/4 bath featuring a tiled walk-in shower and laundry. The eat-in kitchen is a dream. A spacious island with a sink and dishwasher, plus seating for two with a perfect view of the backyard through the sliding glass doors. Custom cabinets, newer appliances, and a walk-in pantry complete the space. As you ascend the staircase, you'll first notice a convenient coat closet. Continuing down the hall, you'll find two generously sized bedrooms, each featuring spacious closets to accommodate all your belongings, along with a luxurious full-size bathroom, so beautifully designed. It's a space you've always dreamed of. The glass sliding door opens up to a charming back patio, ideal for hosting your backyard barbecues. The oversized 2-car garage. It's one of a kind. In the back, you will find a large shop area with a wood-burning stove, storage in the attic, and a basement under the garage that's perfect for a man cave, craft space, entertainment room, or anything your mind can dream of. So many updates in the last few years. New windows, siding, vinyl flooring, kitchen appliances, bathrooms, exterior doors, blinds, garage doors, carpet, water heater, furnace, and sewer line. This home is move-in ready and full of potential. Don't miss your chance to see it.